What up, everybody? This is Keith from Showchrome, here to bring you some brand new products for your Polaris Slingshot. Today we're talking about the Kaliber seatbelt buckle covers. Why not add flair to the first thing you touch every time you ride? The Showchrome's Kaliper seatbelt covers add style refinement to the Slingshot's bare seatbelt buckles. They install in seconds with a zipper and hold snug in place. Tailor-made for this vehicle and your comfort. Once installed, they cover the outside of the buckle and cable that ensures your safety as you ride with your community. Marine grade vinyl for durability, fade prevention, and cold weather crack protection. Available in black, red, and blue stitching, and stitched in Rice Lake, Wisconsin at our Hopnel manufacturing facility. Complete the look of your Slingshot with the matching Kaliber line. Armrest pads, seatbelt covers, e-brake handle cover, grab handle cover, dual dashboard pouches, center console organizer, driver and passenger side organizers and drink holders, Glovebox Organizer. All available in black, red, and blue stitching. You want your Slingshot to stand out? It's your ride, only better with Showchrome. I'm Keith, and I'm heading down to South Beach.